Per Inside EVs, a recent study from Geotab shows electric vehicle batteries are lasting longer than previously thought. The study, which analyzed nearly 5,000 vehicles over 1.5 million days, found that modern EV batteries degrade at an average rate of just 1.8% per year. That's a 22% improvement compared to 2019, when the rate was 2.3%. David Savage, vice president at Geotab, said this data should ease concerns about battery longevity. Even after 20 years, a typical EV battery would still retain around 64% of its original capacity. For example, a Tesla Model Y long range, which starts with 320 miles, would still have about 205 miles of range after 2 decades. Interestingly, the study found that heavily used EVs don't degrade faster, and modern electric batteries degrade slower than internal combustion engine components. Temperature remains a key factor, with actively cooled batteries, like those in Tesla models, degrading slower than air-cooled systems, such as in older Nissan Leafs. You are listening to Yuan News.